Residents in the Springfield community can look forward to a new healthcare center close to those in the community in need of it the most right now.
Western Mass News reporter Megan Stoddard has more after attending today's grand opening.
The need for affordable health care or health care access in general is great, especially for some residents right here in the Bay State. With 2,000 residents unable to access health care, Tanya Barber, president and CEO of Caring Healthcare, says the need for more places like New Caring Healthcare Center is vital for communities such as Springfield.
We've heard the voices from the community, particularly Pine Point and Indian Orchard neighborhoods, where there's a shortage in terms of medical access.
This new facility will have more services available to patients than other locations, like the 860 Boston Road location that's further down the road.
Here we'll have adult services, pediatrics, behavioral health, and dental services.
Located at 1235 on Boston Road, officials hope this spot will be more convenient to members of the community because in the past it sometimes took residents in upwards of 5 hours to make it to their health care provider when using the public transportation system. Western Mass News also spoke with Congressman Richard Neal about the relevance of this new center's location.
It's part of the center of the city's population as well, but whether it's Indian Orchard or Pine Point, the idea again was access.
The healthcare center will officially be open for patients starting February 3rd. Reporting in Springfield, Megan Stoddard, Western Mass News.